Hi everyone, I'm Tim Randall, the Director of Product Management here at Milyli, and today I want to show you how easy it is to simplify the start of review in a new case by using the automated workflow feature in our product, Delegate. I put together a new Relativity workspace here that I'm going to be using as our template for this demonstration. This workspace has been pre-populated with quite a few things such as new relativity searches for identifying documents without images or ones that have images. And we've also put together just some sample things here under job admin, such as our imaging set and our OCR set. We've also put together a couple of other things in here, such as a DT search index, which will be automatically created in any new workspaces that we create from this template. Additionally, I've installed Delegate and automated workflows, and I've created a starting workflow called new document preparation, which is going to be used at the start of our new case to do a couple things. This is going to be used to run our imaging sets and our OCR sets for any documents that have been collected that don't have images or extracted text yet. And then we're going to build that DT search index. So I'm going to jump out of this template and we're going to create a new workspace called a Delegate demo workspace. And we're going to create this under our test matter A. And we're going to use that Delegate demo template. So this is going to create the new workspace, create our DT search index automatically, and then create our Delegate workflow that we can start with. Now, once this workspace is created, I'm going to load some documents into it, and we'll jump into setting up our imaging set and our OCR set, and then configuring our automated workflow and running it. I've now fast forward in time a little bit here to after uploading our documents into the workspace. I've also gone ahead and prepared our imaging set here, which is our new documents ready for imaging. And I've also put together an OCR set, new images ready for OCR. So like I mentioned before, this workspace has been created with Delegate automatically installed because it was in our template. I'm going to jump over to this and we can see here that our new workflow, our new document preparation workflow was automatically created. Now it's important to note, because these resources that this was originally configured for in the template didn't exist when we created the new workspace, we're going to have to go ahead and just edit this and reconfigure those. And that's super easy to do. So we can scroll down and here's our imaging set step already populated. I can go ahead and select that. Our OCR set, all ready to go. And you can see these were the two that I created after making this workspace. And then our index to build, we'll go ahead and select the DT search. Now this DT search was the one that we took a look at over in our template workspace. So this expedited the installation and the setup of this workflow. And after we completed our collection, we can go ahead and actually update this, save this workflow, and kick it off. So really quick, saves a bunch of time. This can all be templatized and ready to go right at the start of a new case. Another nice thing that we're able to do with this specific workflow is we're not restricted to just keeping it the way that it was from our template workspace. In this particular sample, I actually want to add a relativity script step. So I'm going to go ahead and append this to the end. And then we're going to set this up so that we get our duplicate flag field in here. So I'm going to pick a duplicate identifier, my MD5 hash, and my document sort field, which is going to be our control and control number. And now we are going to be able to expand on what we originally had coming over from our template workspace. So after adding this step, we can go ahead and save. And now we're good to go. In this example so far, we've looked at a template workspace. We've created a new workspace. We've collected documents, set up an imaging set, an OCR set in the new case. And then we've gone ahead and updated and modified our automated workflow that came over from the template workspace. All of these combine to expedite and speed up getting ready for the new case. And this is something that can be built into your workflows, can be added to your processes, and made very easy and straightforward in any new case that you're starting. I'm going to go ahead and click Run. And this is going to kick the workflow off. And we're going to go ahead and let this run here in the background, and we'll come back in a moment once it's completed running. We have run the images for those and created them. We've run our OCR and created extracted text for those new images. We've updated our DT search index, and we have gone ahead and ran a relativity script. Put all this together, we can take a look and we can see all of our information here in the full details of this run, but we are good to go. I hope I've been able to provide some inspiration in how you can use our automated workflow feature in the Delegate application to help get your cases started.